we are headed to
Haeundae beach. Apparently that's where the tourist section is, and that's where the best beach in South Korea is. So we're gonna go check out the beach and walk around that side. It's about an hour from here, so we're just waiting for our bus.
We're on the bus 1003, all the way to Haeundae.
We have just arrived in Haeundae. We have just arrived by the beach. The bus took about an hour as expected. It was super hot in there.
Yeah.
If you guys have a choice, rather take the metro. But now we're off to see if we can drop our bags at our accommodation and then walk around this area. Sam?
Yes. I'm trying to find us some food since our accommodation is closed, so we can't leave our bags. So we're now sitting on the step like lost souls, trying to see what to do next. We managed to jump off our bags, thank goodness. While we were sitting there like little lost souls, the guy opened the door. I didn't even know how he knew we were there because there's no camera or anything, but he let us in, let us jump off our bag, and now we're gonna go find some Korean barbecue. So we sat down at the restaurant and we're trying to order, but this restaurant is only in Korean. I tried to use Google Translate and it's not translating correctly. So we think we ordered pork noodles and we didn't know what else we could order, so we're going to stick with pork noodles.
So the food's arrived, but we have no idea what to do with it. There's just a whole bunch of little plates. We think we're supposed to throw it in the soup, so that's what Tamron's doing.
And just whatever that is. This dish is so delicious. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all the accompaniments, but this by itself is like an explosion of flavor. It's like saltiness, you got the crunchiness of the spring onions, you've got the softness of the rice and the pork. We added in, I think, these leaves, which also taste like there's some crunch, but it's really delicious. I can't explain it. It's just an explosion. Nice.
We've just finished lunch.
It's absolutely delicious, and I just googled and we did eat it correctly. So you're supposed to put whatever you want into your soup. So the little fishies are for saltiness, it was a red pepper paste for spiciness, and then the other accompaniments were eat next to it when the soup is too spicy or rich for you.
The dish was called Dwaeji Gukbap, which is pork and rice soup, and it was 8,001, so it was quite a good.
Yeah, and it's a really popular dish here in Busan. We're on our way to the beach. We made it to Haeundae Beach.
This beach is really nice. It's really clean. The sand is sandy. This beach is really nice. It's really clean here, and they've actually got these things that they've set up behind us, which are actually all lights. So apparently it lights up at night during around this time of the year. So we're gonna come back later tonight to see what it looks like.
Outside, we saw this cute little statue saying Ryan's Holiday in Busan, and then we found out there was a secret entrance at the back that comes downstairs into this absolutely cutesy, fun-fed Ryan's Holiday vibe. It is really cool. It's something you should just come and experience and take photos galore. The beach is so beautiful here. We're just walking around the Pomerand and just taking in the vibe. It's so relaxing and mellow. You just want to watch the waves come in all day.
We just found a queue and we decided to wait here. We have no idea what we're going to order. We will let you guys know once we get in.
Oh yeah.
And tell us what we waited in line for.
It's ice cream coated with mochi, like glutinous rice. That's what it is. It's really nice though. I think this one is the pistachio, the roasted pistachio. It was really good.
Was it worth the wait?
Yeah, it's really nice. I would definitely recommend walking along the entire pier until you see like a little restaurant with a tiger on it and get these ice creams that we just had. They were absolutely delicious. And now we're off to go find another queue that we don't know what it's going to be, so we can grab some dinner. So we're back at the market and we're going to try a whole bunch of scrumptious foods, and our first one is Hotteok. So it is a outside dough and inside we've got a filling with seeds. You can also get it with honey and it's very popular. The line's been going all day, so we waited like 15 minutes for this. Let's give it a go. Inside, hot.
It's hot. Inside is hot.
The inside is filled with seeds, and it's also got like the sweet like syrup inside. I think it's like melted sugar with this outside doughiness. It's very delicious, and every area makes it differently. So Busan is known for having seeds. If you go to Seoul, they make it totally different, and it's a very popular dessert dish that everyone queues for. Busan's also well known for their fish cakes, and this is what it looks like, we think. Really nice. It's definitely a fish cake. It's very thin. It's like all layered. It's really nice. I can't explain it. It's really nice. Only found 2 foods so far. Then we got distracted by all the lights and the brights and everything fun and exciting here. And now we headed back to the beach because we want to see if all the lights are lit up.
Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we could stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel? Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we could stay young forever.
Yeah, I found ourselves at a Korean barbecue restaurant and we just sat down and a whole bunch of things are being served to us. A little daunting, but we will manage. Korean barbecue. The meat is like so soft and tender, so succulent and delicious. Whatever the sauce is, it's so good.
We're done.
What an amazing meal!
That was really good. It costed us 37,000 won. which is $25, I think,
roughly.
roughly. It was really nice, but like the kimchi, I've tried it at so many restaurants, and
It was so sour.
it's definitely not our thing. And yeah, we've tried it not once but 3 times.
And we still at a loss.
It was a really weird combination of like spicy, sweet, and sour.
Yeah.
So it's just a lot of flavors in your mouth. But it was a good experience. It was really nice. We have just made it back, and it was really nice just walking around at night along the beach, and also by the food market. But we want to give you guys 4 recommendations for the foods that we think you should definitely try when you guys are in this area. The first one is Hotteok, which is that bread with the seeds inside. The second one was
Korean barbecue. That was absolutely delicious, even though we had an explosion of flavors. The third one is the fish cakes. That was like surprisingly really good compared to like a normal fish cake that what we would know. And fourth would be the pork and rice soup. That was really good as well.
So definitely try those when you're in this area. And I'm going to call it the end of this vlog, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.